Did you know? A lot of people think sperm meeting egg just happens naturally, but in reality, it's more like an ultra-challenging obstacle course. Every time a man ejaculates, around 2 to 300 million sperm set off together. It sounds impressive, but the journey is anything but easy. They have to get through cervical mucus, dodge the female immune system, and push forward like they're running a crazy obstacle race. By the time they reach the fallopian tubes, only a few hundred are left. Even then, the final challenge isn't over. The egg's outer layer is like a locked door, and sperm have to use their own biological keys, special enzymes, to slowly break through. Only the luckiest, most persistent sperm makes it, achieving fertilization. At that moment, the sperm's DNA merges with the eggs, forming a new life starting point, a zygote. That tiny cell starts dividing rapidly, moving toward the uterus, and finally implanting in the lining. That's when pregnancy officially begins. It sounds like a miniature adventure movie, but this is really how life starts. If you had to pick, which do you think is the hardest challenge? Making it through the entire journey or breaking through the egg's locked door? Share your thoughts.